Right at the bell. Here we go, another week. Probably one of the most important weeks, I would say. I don't think I've ever called an important week on any of these stocks because of the fact that putting dates on things, I believe, scares people. But I mean, we're 7 months in, so to me, this would probably be an important week. And we're pulling back. But of course, that's all great because we like buying the dips like we were on Friday. Rob's the first one. Speaking of Rob, let's pull up his favorite software for short interest. Ortex. That would have been a great dip, all right? 37.83, and it's mounting on a 38.35. GameStop. It's a great week because it's Rob's birthday this week. That's why it's a great week. What's going on, Phoenix? Everybody poured in this morning. Chicken. No, Rob beat you. He was the first one. Darth is cheating on you with Morantz. Is Morantz live right now? I thought he went live like 2 hours from now or something like that. Yeah, dope. Bitcoin had like this massive squeeze yesterday. I kind of got a little bit of FOMO, because we were talking about buying under 30K, and just seeing it hit like 40K was kind of disappointing. But then again, this morning, I think some bad news came out for crypto because Tether executives are being investigated for bank fraud, and then Bitcoin pulled back. You know what they say? If you can't see it, you don't own it. Or Saxlot's right here. He's right here. What's going on, John? Ben? Boker, good morning. All right, so we're seeing a battle here at 38. So we hit 38.68 pre-market. What did we close at on Friday? 36.98. So even on Friday, there was a pretty nice recovery here. Tesla, by the way, has earnings today. I slept on Tesla. Look at this rally. Let's go, baby. It's not coming down to Rob's price target. It's not coming down under $5. Never. Although, however, I do think today, however, there might be there might be a rally just for the earnings hype. But like always, Tesla never fails to just crash after earnings. It always does that. That's how you play Tesla. You buy it, you ride the hype, and then you always sell before the bell. That's if you're day trading, of course. But if you're going in long term, then that's a different story. But that's my thesis about today. I think there will be a decline after hours. Cryptocurrencies is trending. It's raining in California. It's trending. By the way, guys, I woke up with a sore throat because it's hot. I left the window open. I woke up and I was confused because it was raining. I was like, why is it raining? It's supposed to be like 90 degrees. Why is it raining? At least it's not the Rona, right? So that's trending, right? Let's click that. See what people are saying. That's how you know it's pretty bad out here. Let's see. Why is AMC not trending? AMC testing the lows. We are still green though. Almost up nearly 2%. Oh, and by the yeah, Amazon to accept Bitcoin by the end of 2021. That's another one of the reasons why we had this massive rally yesterday. Here it is, baby. Tesla earnings. Should we come on live later for Tesla earnings? Look at that volatility on Tesla this morning. I like that. Oh, by the way, speaking of Tesla, AMC, GameStop, some of the stocks we've been watching, of course, for the last 7 months, there was like this news. Let's pull up AMC. I think it's on AMC's AM news tab. AMC was number one for the second quarter. Top second quarter trends for Millennial and Gen Z. Wish enters top 100. Where's it at? Oh, it's right here. Top 100 stocks held by millennials and Gen Z across more than 1 million accounts. Of course, AMC's number one, 25% of accounts. Tesla, number two, 11.6%. Apple, surprisingly, above GameStop and Amazon and Neo, 8.4. Amazon, 4.1. You would expect Amazon to be probably lowest since it's probably more expensive. It says it was number 3. Neo 3.2%, GameStop 3.2%, and then Microsoft, Palantir, Disney, and CCIV. Interesting CCIV. That EV hype. AMC bouncing back. Let's set an alert on this bad boy. To actually go back to Tesla really quick. This isn't Tesla. There we go. What's going on, Mike? It is the last week of the month. Damn, it's already almost August. GameStop with a new high here, 181. Does that mean, yep, I figured AMC just had the nasty green candle. Look at this, go, 38. We should have a pretty strong week for AMC this week, guys. I'm not gonna lie. This week, I could probably even see 50. 50 bucks. Go, go, go. 38.90. What's the next resistance? It's obviously going to be $40. 40 and 45.46. Those two levels there. There should be some hype going into this week, man. Adam Aaron tweeted the other day. We're talking about how they were streaming the UFC, right? And I love soccer, football, whatever. World Cup would be amazing. Champions League, and he actually had a tweet that mentioned that. So he's on the right track, but he says it's very difficult to get rights for that. Uh, Premier League, UFC, boxing, FIFA World Cup, US college football, US pro sports leagues. He said he's trying, but it's very difficult and possibly prohibitively expensive to secure the rights, but we will try. What's going on, William? Yup, your Doge is doing well. Let's take a look. What is Doge at? I didn't even check Ortex. Let's go back to Ortex really quick. Doge is at 21 cents. Let's see. Let's look at the SI. 14.88% SI for AMC as of now. And it just hit a new high, 39. CCIV is already up 6%. Oh, it went up to what was the ticker? Because I know they swapped the tickers. That wasn't Lucid, right? Was it? Or LCID? What was the ticker swap, guys? It's not taking here for me. AMC to 40. AMC to 40 and then 45 and then 50. This week is going to be super hyped. Even for GameStop. Just look at this. It's following along. BlackBerry probably too. No, not really. Yeah, I thought it was LCID. It's not. Hmm. Let's check Twitter. NASDAQ. Spot hitting a new high. 440 was a high on Friday, which was a brand new high. I think today we're gonna hit a new high. Tether, the largest fraud scheme in history, is finally unraveling before our eyes as we predicted. The DOJ has opened massive criminal investigations to Tether's executives. When Tether goes bust, we'll witness a monumental crash and a Bitcoin liquidity crisis. Somebody replied, bears will be decimated in the next 5 months. No mercy will be shown. Get ready for the FUD. I think they're still waiting for the votes on the right. I have CCIV and I voted and I approved the merger and I think they approved it. I thought they did. Hmm. Finally. Tesla usually has some pretty solid days on Mondays. That's one thing I've noticed. Mondays are usually strong days for Tesla. Come on, GameStop. Oh yeah, Ben. Amazon is talking about taking payments in crypto by the end of the year. So that's one of the reasons why yesterday was a crazy day for crypto. And if you guys notice, Bitcoin, I mean crypto in general, does bad on Sundays. I think we have Moderna also reporting this week. Is it this week? Yep. 8-5. Wait, is it 8-5 this week? No. Next week. GameStop pulling back, 179. I thought this was AMC. Ouch. What is going on? Up, but you know what? We buy. Is it gonna fill me? EMA is at 38. It could probably come down. It's probably gonna come down a little bit lower. Let's see. It's an alert. Where's my alert at? Hmm. Usually it shows like a little red dot, a little yellow dot here on the right side when there's an alert. It's weird. Game set volume 133K. Yeah, it's been a slow one, man. I don't really know what could pick this up. Cohen has to speak to us. Tesla's still not moving much. Let's go to Yahoo Finance. There's usually some pretty decent trending tickers on Yahoo Finance, believe it or not. Mara, of course Mara's trending. Rob's probably happy with his Mara. Look at that gap up, 25 to 30 pre-market. The question is Rob still holding? Bitcoin's obviously trending riots. And Coinbase. How did Coinbase do this morning? 242. Look at that gap up. You just can't predict things like this. It's very difficult. See, after close, we have a lot of earnings. Tesla being number one. And I don't know any of these other companies. Probably Tesla's the biggest one today. And it's not doing much. From the looks of it, looks like it's actually going to come down under 650 again. Semi-truck, Cybertruck. Navigates global chip shortage. Let's take a look at Ride. I can't believe people are still buying this stock. It's almost near a new 52-week low. AMC coming down. Yeah, my exchange or my broker actually did halt CCIV. That's why I was kind of confused when you guys said it was up 6%. I'm like, where? It's halted here. So I thought, okay, maybe else did, right? But no, nothing. Thank you for letting me know, William. Mine is indeed halted. NRXP dropped back to 20 like a rock. What was that stock? This one was the THC stock, right? Was it? With the Alzheimer's? No, right? This is another one. All you have to do is look at the history of the chart to know that every single rally it's had, it can't sustain. It drops like a rock every single time. That should have been a red flag, man. You have to look at the history of the chart. If not, you're doomed to repeat it. Even that Robinhood IPO, I think it's going to be really, really hyped. I'm excited for that one too. Your favorite Tesla bear? What was his name? Gordon Johnson. Was on CNBC this morning talking about how much market share that Tesla has already lost to upstarts. That's true though. They're gonna lose market share. 37.96 AMC. I think my internet just like slowed down for a split second. Kramer's back. He's on to us again. There we go. So refresh the Ortex data and it's still showing 14.88%. If we have this massive upswing, I'm very interested to see how that changes. Heat map check. I don't think it's updated. Oh gosh, Apple's about to hit a new high. I think we hit 150 last time flat. Yep. 150 flat. It's coming right back up to the highs. It's literally only like 40 cents away. Should we short it now? AMC not bad still, not doing bad. CCIV's unhalted. Still showing 24 for me. Come on, AMC, make a move upward. It's just flat here at 38. Tesla and AMC are doing the same thing. Look at this. They had their morning push to new highs and then they just kind of cooled down a bit. But AMC's kind of creeping here. Let me see at 38.50s. Go ahead and short Apple. Let's see, is it hitting new highs now? Ooh, it got rejected like 26 cents off the highs. Man, you would expect there to be a lot more momentum on AMC right now. Does anybody have the date for the IPO for Robinhood? 38 still. You can't really complain when we're looking at 38 as resistance on Friday. We're finding support there now. Not bad. I just expected a little bit more. What's going on, Keith? Good morning. It could be this week, July 29. Hmm. Yeah, this week seems pretty busy compared to other weeks. There we go. Back under 650. Damn, there's earnings after hours for Tesla and you're about to go red. Let's set an alert on Apple, see if it hits new highs. I don't think the alerts are working here on Thinkorswim today. There we go. AMC 38 still. It's a patience game right now. Robinhood seems to be the only exchange that Lucid is trading. Really? So I guess we'll have to move to Robinhood, huh? Oh, there we go. Here it is. Finally. It's here. Oh, that's such a lie. Windows has nothing to do with Thinkorswim. There we go. What's going on, Kevin? It's the latest news on AMC. AMC is the #1 held stock by millennials and Gen Z. Where's it at? Top 100. It's #1. Tesla #2. This is for the second quarter. But we have the meeting this Thursday. This Thursday. So that's what I'm expecting. I'm gonna base my AMC thesis for the rest of the year. I want to see what they have in store for us. And earnings are August 5th too. After that, it's gonna be pretty much the new movie releases. Pretty much no new updates unless we get something from Adam Aaron on Twitter. And usually I'd expect some hype headed into that, some momentum. Even with Tesla earnings today, it's kind of disappointing. I mean, it's green, but compared to like January this year, what we saw was nuts. Of course, he still had its drop after hours though. I remember that. Wait, what stats? Stacks a lot. Bitcoin's bouncing back. Oh, the AMC's #1 held. I do feel that though. I could kind of sense some hate though, like online between the GameStop and AMC people. I don't understand it. I don't get it. Back down to 38. Testing support here. Make a move, AMC. AMC's boring this morning. Even Tesla's boring. I woke up excited. I'm like, you know what? It's gonna be a good week. Tesla has earnings. Tesla hasn't done anything. There we go. Finally. Uh-oh. GameStop new high at 182. How about Virgin Galactic? Oh, this one was actually at 31 on Friday at market open, and then it hit 28 pre-market, and now it's back above 30. There we go. Finally, something's going on. 38.70s broke past that resistance here at 38.50. Headed back to 39. 39.50 was the high. This should be the week, man. Your favorite Luckin Coffee just took another dump. I forgot about that stock. I'm glad I did not touch that. I knew somebody that did though. Feel bad. They lost a lot on Luckin Coffee. What was the ticker? LKIN, I think? No. Or was it just Luck? Or LK, yes, LK. Oh, but they got delisted, so it'd be LKNCY, right? There we go. Yep. Hmm. The Starbucks of China. I remember when this stock was when it first initially broke out that they were reporting fake numbers. 39. There we go, finally. Above 39 once again. I believe we also have the Fed this week, guys, on Wednesday. Do we? Let's see. Let's see. Federal. July. What's Wednesday? 28. Yep, we do. 28 Wednesday. Spies literally right there at the new highs. Those long-term accounts are looking juicy right now. I'm not gonna lie. Doge is still up 12%. Let's go to Bitcoin really quick. Let's see. 38.3. That's what Robinhood is showing. I really can't believe I missed that 10K bounce right there. All for just thinking it might come down a little bit lower. You know, let's wait a little bit more. Nope. Sometimes it's best to pull the trigger. On the month, Dogecoin is down 9%. The last 3 months, it's down 13%. The last year, it's up 6,000. The last 5 years, it's up 109,000%. Boring Tesla, boring. I probably might be a quiet day for Tesla. I don't know. There's no movement on here. Usually Tesla on earnings days, man. Crazy volatility. I'm not seeing that today. AMC, however, testing 39. Keeps getting rejected there. Is there a wall or what? Yeah, don't, William has been holding Doge for quite some time, probably. AMC is up 5% today. I'm gonna set some alerts here, honestly. I'm not seeing anything. Nothing too crazy yet. There we go. Finally waking up. Don't tell me you chased Doge at 70 cents, Phoenix. If you bought Doge at 70, you were just asking to get wrecked. There we go. Oh. And you're still holding from 70s? I mean, might as well, right? That's called a sunken cost. I sold my Doge when it first hit 10 cents. Thought I was being smart. Hey, you were, man. At the time, you were. Everyone's a genius in hindsight. Like I always say, people are gonna judge your decisions not based off if it was a sound or a reasonable decision at the time. They're gonna judge it based off of what happened. Hindsight. AMC, exactly. That's always gonna be an example that I bring up. GameStop. Excuse me. I'm telling you, shouldn't left the window open. The weather's bipolar out here. 184 new high. Games AMC waking up. AMC's probably gonna see a new high right now. Tesla not doing its thing. 39 above 39 once again. Let's actually hide these alerts. I don't like when it does that. Show. Where is it? I always forget where it's at. Damn it, think or swim. Music stops when I heard someone bought Doge at 70. If I would have bought Doge at 70, you best believe I was looking for like a couple, like 1 or 2 cents, and I'm out. And if it falls up from a certain price level, maybe 65, I'm out. It's because situations like that where it just falls to like to 10, 20, 30 cents, you're just stuck. It's like you have to hold now, you know? Shying away from the highs. 39 still. So we might see some support here at 38.50s. My key levels of support this week, I would say I don't know if we're gonna come back down to 35. I don't know if we're gonna see that level. I think it's just up from here. Hmm. I would say 37. $37 would be some decent support this week. We have higher lows here. We're seeing some momentum. We have a catalyst this week. I think there's a big chance we could test 46.50 this week. That's the thing with those. There's still a lot of people hyping it up. Like it's like AMC. It won't go away. The talk about it just doesn't end. Oh, Tesla. Uh-oh. See, these alerts don't go off. Nasdaq continues to move on upward. Apple just might hit a new high here. When is the Dogecoin hitting the shelves? I don't know if they're gonna have it out like that in stores. I thought it was only like a limited drop online. We're seeing a slight bounce here at 39. A very weird. I don't even know what to think about this chart on AMC that I'm looking at right now. From market open till now, I don't know what this is, honestly. Usually it'd be like a smoother chart like GameStop's, but I don't know what to call this. I don't know what to expect right now, honestly. I really don't. On the 1 minute, Tesla, same thing. Very odd chart patterns that don't really appeal to me. As long as it's holding support, man, for those people that are long, you're winning. Up 5.6%. Hmm. I keep bringing up the wrong ticker. There we go. Yeah, it's been up here for a while. The hype lives, baby. The bucket and handle. The cup and handle, you mean, no? No, I don't see this here. Today just feels to me like one of those days where you kind of just sit back and watch it. You put your hands behind your back and you just watch the markets tick. I don't see anything right now. Like they're green though, but from my perspective as a dip buyer and just day trade, I don't see anything. That's why I have my alert set at the low of the day, because usually I'd come back if it does crack that low. It's not predictable. These midday these random rips here are just odd. I'd expect more from Tesla, especially on earnings day, and especially when the Nasdaq is at least green and not tanking. I mean, at least Apple hit a new high, not 150, but it's right there. It's right there. It's only a couple cents away. Rob says he calls it time to go take a hike outdoors. No reason to watch it. Yeah, there really isn't any reason. Like I woke up really excited. I thought I'd expect it. I guess my expectations were really high, and then just seeing it was like, eh. I based it off my expectations. Kind of disappointing, huh? Coinbase? Hmm. How are we on the daily? I haven't taken a look at the daily. We're still slightly right under EMA, but of course, these higher lows, honestly, at $30 saved AMC's ass. Those balances off of $30 really helped AMC tremendously. So we're still under EMA. EMA on the daily is sitting at $40.49. Let's call it $40. So we're only a buck under there. We might test 40 today, but for now, we are at 39. Maybe power hour. Maybe midday. If we don't, by any chance and we get rejected here and it pulls back down to 35, then it's gonna get a little uneasy, right? It's gonna get a little spooky. And I'm very interested to see how the market reacts to GameStop. My alert on GameStop went off. Why? Why? Why this late? What was it saying? Oh, the reaction on AMC after the meeting. I'm gonna be. It's. I think it's gonna be like Tesla, because last time AMC had that earnings, it would always just dump. So that's just with any stock. I think there's a lot of hype headed into it, and then people buy the rumor, sell the news. That's what it is. And Tesla slowly Ving. Look at this. How do you play this? You can't. Like it's just moving up. This is so weird. GameStop hit a new high. AMC should be ripping right now. Crazy. It looks like it's a slow day in the good way. Like we're headed the right direction. Like Tesla's going up, right direction. Nice. GameStop hit a new high. Slow but right direction. AMC, I don't even know what to call this pattern honestly. But hey, we're up 6%. It's holding the support levels. It's not crashing like 2 weeks ago where it would just flush under aggressively. So I think it's not doing too bad. I'm gonna set a couple of alerts just in case Thinkerson wants to play with me and doesn't want to alert us. There we go. It's going on GameStop. Oh, oh, that's an ugly candle, right? 439. Let's go to trending really quick on Twitter. AMC one refresh on the SI, 14.87 still. If you guys want to take a screen, I'll keep you guys updated on the SI in the Discord. I'm gonna plug in the Discord chat on the YouTube chat. Remind me if I forget. Just I'll send a screenshot of this via my mobile phone. Uh, Tether, of course, crypto is trending. Thinkorswim will not let me set alerts to. Yeah, it's being weird. Earlier it wasn't letting me set alerts, and usually you see the alert here on GameStop. How it's like this little yellow arrow pointing on the to the right side. These are alerts I want, not these lines. And I don't know how to hide it. I forgot how to hide it. It shouldn't. Crypto's back, baby. Yep. Had a little bit of FOMO yesterday. I'm not gonna lie. Guys, literally, Bitcoin went up like $5,000 in like 3 minutes. I kid you not. It had like this massive green candle. I was confused. I was like, "What is this?" And I think that was the time where Amazon, the rumors were around that Amazon was gonna accept crypto by the end of the year. AMC waking up one more time. It's holding near the highs. That's a good sign. It's your Windows registration, Keith. GameStop moving on 300K volume. I do not understand this stock. It's gonna follow AMC's lead this week. Sooner or later, it's gonna be Friday, and we're gonna be like, "Damn, this week went by fast." I'll see you guys next month. And it really is gonna be August already. I'm gonna be full time in August. Right now, I only have one class for summer, but I don't know how I'm gonna handle everything in August. I really don't. I really do not know. That's gonna be all nighters, just doing homework probably. Bitcoin's at 38.4. This was the candle. Take a look. This was the candle. This is the 4 hour though, but look at that massive move it had out of nowhere on Sunday. Nuts. AMC's retesting the highs here. Tesla is too. That means Tesla and AMC are correlated. He's messing with you, Keith. GameStop's about to hit a new high, guys. 184.99. AMC's back at it as well, near the highs. We're just talking about a slow day. It says nope. It's ripping 39.67, 74. There's 40. So close to 40. Maybe 41 today. This market makes no sense. So now I'm starting to see some patterns here on AMC. I could kind of see some higher lows here. I would love to see AMC hold at $39 today. I think that sets us up for a nice week above 40. But for now, I think that's pretty much it. Oh, Tesla just hit a new high too. Man, I thought we were really going to come under 650 aggressively. And we have earnings today after hours. My prediction is Tesla comes down to 640 after hours. Or it just drops significantly. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Oh, AMC's above 40. 40.11. When was the last time we were above 40? Thursday? No. Slightly Thursday. Thursday at market open. So this is back. This is looking like if you look at it at the 15-minute, you flip the charts, it looks like a head and shoulders. Left, I mean, if you look at the right shoulder, we have the head here at 34 and we have the left shoulder today. And now it's just falling. But we're coming up. Maybe 41, 42. Is this a crypto pump? Crypto pumped yesterday. But it's holding, right? Bitcoin's is still at 38. 38.4. Look at this, 40.50. 40.60. These moves like this makes it look like it's squeezing slightly. Also, I'm very interested to see the SI at the end of the week. We have the Fed Wednesday. Nice. 40.60 too high. That's one thing I just noticed right now on the 30-minute and on the 15-minute as well. This looks like a nasty inverted head and shoulders pattern. Hmm. Very weird. Apple's just falling off a cliff. That's because the Nasdaq is pulling back. Literally about to go red. Nasdaq is up 0.01%. That short on Apple would have been nice. I'm not gonna lie. If we shorted at the highs, AMC healthy pullback again. I could kind of see where the support levels are sitting at now. I would say $39. 5-minute EMA is at 38.84. So that's a pretty healthy pullback if we were to see one at 39. But now it's kind of bouncing here at 40. Nice start to AMC this week, up 8%. Like I said, I think this week we should see a retest of the high of 45, 46. And we already hit 40. No news. AMC stock bounces on an early try to snap loss streak on an upbeat day for meme stocks. On an upbeat day for meme stocks. Senator Art William, the short apple challenge. So they took him up on it. That's hilarious. AMC's going for 41, guys. If we go parabolic here, we might just hit 41, 41.50. Can AMC go nuts right now? Can it go parabolic? Hey, man, I don't know. Apple's just falling out of nowhere. That has to do with Nasdaq, obviously, pulling back. Ooh, Nasdaq's pulling back. It just went red, and Tesla's holding pretty nice compared to other days where it's just ugly. And it pulls back with Nasdaq aggressively, but Apple should be pulling back more. SPY. Hmm. Come on, AMC. Give us 41.50. You should have shorted Apple when William said. We would have been in the profit right now. Come on, 41. I smell 41. Oh, it's about to hit a new high. 40.60. Come on, baby. I think we need a spacesuit this Thursday. Should we bring out the spacesuit? I haven't worn the spacesuit like in what, a month or so? I feel like it'll be bad luck though. 40.22. No, I never washed the spacesuit. Never. If I wash that spacesuit, it's done. It's not quality material. That's the thing. It'll just disintegrate. The patches would come off. Actually, I think that's only if I dry it. I don't know. It feels really like there was like 27 bucks on Amazon. I'm gonna eat an onion on Thursday. We're gonna watch AMC collapse in a GameStop. That's what's gonna happen. AMC 40 still. It's trying to hold 40 bucks. I don't know if it's gonna hold 40. I think there might be a pullback to like 39. Right around here. 39.50, 39. So let's see. I really Tesla, what are you doing? I really want to buy Tesla today, but I don't think it's gonna give me an opportunity to buy. It already did, but missed it. Ortex still showing the same thing. There's an AMC pullback like we were talking about, healthy pullback. 39.50 to 39 would be my ideal healthy support level. Back under 40. I think it still has some cushion to pull back even more. No, that's the thing. It doesn't smell. If it would have smelled bad, I would have just tossed it away. Dry cleaning it would cost exactly. Dry cleaning it would cost more than the spacesuit. Just checking my phone to see AMC back at 40. Yes, sir. AMC's back at 39.99, but I think it'll pull back to 39.50 or 39, which of course isn't the end of the world because if you look at the 5 hour, 5 minute chart, this is a healthy support level. And to start off the week, that's not bad if you ask me. Compared it to 2 weeks ago when we were just flushing, this is not bad of a start. However, how high can we go? What's the next level of resistance? That's my only question. And how strong are these support levels if we do come down to test them? That's my only question. So what are we at? 39.69? Not bad of a pullback. Yeah, I think, yeah, with that being said, I think we might just end the stream here. That's my little update for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure I'd appreciate if you guys left a like on the video. Screw YouTube. I'll have a video out later. Tesla earnings after hours. AMC this shareholder meeting this week. We have the Fed on Wednesday. We have more earnings from all these other companies. We have Lucid, which is fine. Oh, it just hit a new high. There we go. I think I'm almost break even on my Lucid, honestly. Give me back my money, Lucid. Oh, Colleen, you just got her gonna end it. We'll be back tomorrow. Maybe if I have a good gym session and I'm feeling pumped, we'll come back for earnings or power hour for Tesla earnings. But right now, look at this. I really wanted to buy Tesla under 650. I wasn't comfortable buying at 647 because I thought we were really gonna come down under like 645. And out of nowhere, it just says, "Screw you, we're going up." It hit a new high, 659. It looks like it might just hit a new high, but I keep an eye on Nasdaq if I'm gonna buy Tesla because tech is just obviously gonna follow Nasdaq. Look at this, Apple's bouncing back. Should we short Apple if we hit a new high? Actually, yeah, we hit a new high in Apple. We're probably gonna short Apple. I wanted to short Apple when it hit 150 here, and I didn't, and it came down to 141. I was like, that would have been great. So this time, it's gonna be like the Bitcoin dip. I'm just gonna pull the trigger. AMC, I was expecting a 39 or 39.50 pullback, and it's holding the high 39, so not bad. Let's leave that here. What other stocks am I watching? Virgin Galactic, I haven't really taken a look, but it's up 5%. I mean, how do you play this? Like, it's really difficult. You can't just think, oh, it's just gonna rally from 29 to 39 or 30.95. It's very inconsistent. That's the problem. AMC was being inconsistent today, this morning too. GameStop 183 coming off 186 highs. I kind of expected more today. I don't know why I feel disappointed. Probably because I didn't buy anything or I didn't catch the dips. Maybe that's why. Let's see. Oh, I don't want to read this. Enormous asteroid headed near Earth. Is this a real article? Is it just trolling me? TMZ? There's a giant asteroid headed our way. Traveling 18,000 miles per hour. Just end me already, asteroid. I could have sworn I've seen this article like last year. All right. One last glance at Tesla. Oh, and it will. Of course, it's hitting new highs. All right. I guess Tesla's done for the day for me. I don't think it'll give me an opportunity to buy. I'm not willing to catch it at 660. AMC, however, this sucker does come to 38.40s, which I don't know if it can, but let's see how strong that support is. I'll catch a dip by on AMC. So looks like a job for the Doge. They need to send a physical Doge to space. Elon has to do that. A physical Doge, a little Dogecoin to the moon. All right, we're gonna end it here. We'll be back either power hour or I'll see you guys tomorrow for a brand new live stream.